Hi everyone, here in this video we are going to see what is a PDNF, and we are going to learn the write the PDNF by using truth table. Problem 1. Obtain the principal disjunctive normal form of a P and Q or not P and R. So first using truth table we have to find out PDNF, and next one without using truth table we should form the PDNF. So using a truth table, we have a PQ. There are three variables in the question, PQ and R. Now we write PQR and eight different combinations. True, true, all four true, next all four false. True, true, false, false. In that way we write. Then true, false. Like that we will write the R column. And in the problem we want to find out what is not P. So find the negation of P and write true means we should write false. True means false, and false means we should write true. Then in the problem, first thing the term is P and Q we want to find out. In the next column we should find out not P and R. Then we can take R of both the terms. So here P and Q. So when we talk about P and Q, P and R, T and T is T. T and T is T. T and false is false. And any one is a false in a false, we will get false. T and false, it is false. False and T, then it is false only. False and false. Then false and false also, it is false. Next one, not P and R. That is a not P and R. These two we have to sing. So when we take a false and true, it is a false. False, false also false. And T, false and T is a false. False and false is false. T and T is a T. T and F is a false. T and T is a T. T and F is false. Next one, we want to take P and Q or not P and R. So when we take the or disjunction of these two terms, so T and F, T or F, so it is T. T or F, it is T. F or F is F. F or F is F. F or T is a T. F or F is F. F or T is a T. F or F is F. Next we have to take, we are finding only PDNF. So we have to take only the true values. So how many true values are present? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So if we are getting true value means we should take true value variable as it is. Suppose you are having false means the false variable we should take negation of that variable. So here it is true, and here also these three values are true. We will take P and Q and R. Next we take a TTF. So it is a P and Q and not of R, because here it was given false. So we should take not of R. Next here false TT. So it is a not of a P and a Q and R. So that is the equation, min term. And here also it is a true. So false T means not P and not R and R. So in this way we form the min terms. Now the sum of all min terms, we will get the PDNF. That is PDNF we write all four terms we have taken and we have a disjunction. The sum of we have taken. This is a sum. The sum of all four terms I have written. This is your PDNF. Next we will do the same problem without using the truth table. So P and Q or not P and R. So here for the first step we have to insert and take the disjunction of and of T. P and T is equivalent to T. So when we take the first term and T or the second term and T. Now this T can be replaced as, here already we have a P and Q as variable. So which variable is not there? R is not there. So instead of T, we have the formula P or not P. There is a P or not P is T. We can also write in Q or not Q equal to T. R or not R is T. So we are writing in terms of R here. R or not R instead of T, and here P and R are there. We want Q. So Q or not Q. Now we can apply the distributive formula. So here P and Q and R, that is the first term, put R in the middle, P and Q and not R. Next one, not P, here also we are using the distributive rule. Not P and R and Q, or not P and R and not Q. So we got the sum of min terms. So this is a required PDNF and we got 4 terms. Next we will see the problem 2. So obtain PDNF of P implies in a bracket P implies Q or not Q or not P. So here we have only, it is the problem, the statement formula has only 2 variables, there is no R. So we want to write only P and Q as the first and second column. So P values, since it has only 2 variables, we will have only 4 types of 4 combinations. That is, I have taken false, false, then true, true, then false, true, false, true. So we got 4 combinations. Then in the question it was not Q is there. So next we will find out not Q. And not P also there. So we will find out not P and not Q. There is a negation of P. False means it is a true, false, true, true, false, true, false. Next we will write negation Q, not Q. That is false means true, true means false, false, true, true, false. Next we will take the first term, that is P implies Q. So P implies Q means P and Q we have to see. False implies false, it is true. False implies true, true. True implies false, it is false. True implies true is true. Next we will take the second term, that is not P or not Q. So not P is here or not Q. These two we have to take. So true or true, T or T is T. T or F is T. F or T is T. F or F is F only. Next we will combine these two. So that is the first term or second term. So these two, when we take the disjunction, true or T or T is T. T or T is a T. F or T is a T. T or F is T. Next, we will consider the whole statement formula, that is P implies this full term. So P implies this term means P along with this term we have to see. So false implies T. False implies T is T. False F implies T is T. T implies T is T and T implies T is T. So we got all the values are T. So now we want to find out the min terms. We have to select all T only. The truth table we are having only T's. So since all the values are T, we have to see P and Q. So it is a false and false. So we should write, we are only the truth table is T. So here not P and not Q. That is your min term. Next one false and F and T. So not P and Q. Next one T and F. P and not Q. Next one T and T. That means P and Q. So we got all 4 min terms. So the sum of all min terms we have PDNF. So we write all 4 terms with a disjunction. This is nothing but your principal disjunctive normal form. So in this way we can find we can write the truth table for the given 2 variables. This is the statement formula. So here I have given the practice problem. Find the PDNF of a P and Q implies R. So there are 3 variables. So we should write with 8 combinations using a truth table. And here the answer of this PDNF will be this one. So PCNF is this one. And first we can also, this is nothing but a PDNF. After finding PDNF in the same truth table, we can also find out PCNF. So we can try this problem in both PCNF and PDNF using truth table. Thank you, students.